Please welcome Paul Stretch Rocker Diethelm to the stage. There he is, right back there.
Chubby Checker, Gomer Pyle, Boz Skaggs, you know, they all got that voice.
The Supremes' greatest hits.
I was there through the whole Eye of the Tiger thing.
Simon and Garfunkel, Bridge Over Troubled Water.
Crazy music, Frank Zappa, Yes, Chicago.
Guys like Eddie Van Halen, you're a blind guy, you're going, how the hell does he do that?
I had a band in high school called the Synthetics. It was me and 3 girls.
I've been playing in bars since I was 16 years old. I have paid my dues.
Sometimes people don't believe it. They don't believe I'm blind. They think I'm faking it. Why the hell would I fake it?
There it is, sitting in the booth by itself. It's 2:30 in the morning at the White Castle. I'm like, stop the bus!
We're gonna be back in like 15 minutes. Let's see if you can learn this song.
I really wanted to be Miss America.
I got this guitar when I was 16 years old.
Johnny says, do you sing?
Do you know Home Sweet Home by Motley Crue? And I would sit and listen to 4 hours of Casey Kasem every Sunday.
The Wolfman, he was on XERB in Los Angeles, baby.
From that day on, I changed. I understood what it meant to be an artist.
Pretending to be Van Halen on every guitar solo I played.
Got a high heel shoes and an alligator hat, wearing the pearls and the diamond ring. Got bracelets on the fingers down the everything. Devil with the blue dress on. She's a devil with a blue dress on. Oh, I said, devil with the blue dress on. Devil with a blue dress on. That's how it goes.
Thank you so much for coming out tonight, everybody. Thank
Ladies
you.
and gentlemen, Pamela McNeil.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.